Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the euro gain 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The pound gained 0.6% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
Advanced Micro Devices reported that revenue in its first quarter was $5.35 billion, down 9% from a year earlier as the PC market slowed down. Unemployment in the Eurozone hit a record low of 6.5% in March, the EU Statistics Agency said. The reading, down from 6.6% in February, is the lowest since Eurostat started compiling jobless figures in April 1998 for the economies in the single currency area. UK lawmakers voted in favour of a highly anticipated amendment to ease advertisement approvals for crypto firms. The amendment would allow crypto companies that are already registered with the country's financial watchdog under its anti-money laundering regime to be able to approve their own ads.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT. The US unit labour costs at 12:30 GMT, Germany's trade balance at 0600 hours GMT. Germany's exports will be released at 0600 hours GMT, Australia's trade balance at 0130 GMT, Australia's exports at 0130 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.